Intro. Welcome to Connect to World, where we explore the meaning and usage of interesting words. Today, we're going to focus on the word handwriting. It's a term related to the way people express themselves through written characters. Let's get started. Meaning. Handwriting is a noun that refers to the style, method, or individual way in which a person forms and writes characters, letters, and words on paper or another writing surface. It's a unique and personal aspect of written communication. Pronunciation. Pronounce handwriting as ʻhændṛaɪtɪŋ, with the emphasis on the first syllable, hand. Use in a sentence. 1. Her handwriting was so distinctive that you could easily recognize it. 2. Graphologists analyze handwriting to gain insights into a person's personality. Synonyms. For handwriting, there are no direct synonyms, but related terms. Include script, penmanship, or cursive writing, depending on the context. Conclusion. Handwriting is a personal and expressive form of communication that reflects individual style and personality. It's a testament to the beauty of the written word. Thanks for joining us, and may your handwriting always tell your unique story with elegance and clarity.